Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can breed villagers for increasing their population on your Minecraft server. So here you can see one villager here. So I have just set him in my boat here. So you can do is you can just place a boat nearby a villager and you can simply push them toward the boat and they will stand on the boat, and you can actually simply right click on your boat and you can actually ride the boat and you can take that villager anywhere you want. So you must need a villager, so you can just breed them for a small and tiny villager that can actually grow up and that can make your villager civilization increase. So now I have just created a fence for them, a place for them which can actually make boundaries for them that I can capture them. So I'm going to ride the boat and I'm going to place them in this section here. So just like this. Now I'm going to simply get off the boat and I'm going to get another villager here. Here you can see I have just captured another one. Now you have to simply do is you can just close this one and you have to place a bed here. So you have to place 3 bed in this section. So just like this, like this one, here it is, and here another one. So here you can see there is where is the another one go? Here it is. So it has a sleep here, he's the sleep here. So we have to wait until it's sunrise. So I'm going to sleep too. So it's not sunrise where they are sleeping, so I'm going to sleep right now. Now wait, and good morning, and it's time to breed. So now you just need to give them the food here. So just like this, you have to, sorry for that. Now from here I have just captured more another 2 villagers here. So you have to simply give the food to the villagers so they can eat and they can breed between themselves, and they have already actually created the baby. They have actually created the baby. So you have to wait until they took the food and they have just breeded. So you can find some love is appearing on the sky. So you have to wait until they took together, and here you can see the love is appearing here. So I'm going to get out from here and give them some privacy actually. So just like this. Hey, the baby villager is out of the fence here. So you have to wait until they just breed together. So here you can see it has just, they are just appearing the love here. So you have to wait until they create a baby villager from here. So that's how you can just breed between two villagers among them, and it's pretty cool. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.